Welcome once again. Now the thing is, after our examination preparation, now we are thinking of delivering the goods, which is the next step. We have now prepared well, we have make our revisionary notes are there, हमारी शेड्यूलिंग हो गई, बॉडी क्लॉक प्रॉपर हो गई. अब हमारे पास अल्टीमेटली एग्जामिनेशन के वक्त जाने का टाइम आ गया. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग now again remains the same, our mental setup. So student, when he goes to examination center, he should have the confidence that I know the subject very well. I am sure if you have prepared your schedule very well as per our discussion, by the time of examination your mental level must be very high, your confidence level must be very, very high. To further strengthen the confidence level and give you a boost to get what you can from the examination, important thing is now we go and study the previous year's papers. We can be very, very assured that जो भी हमारे पिछले सालों के पेपर आए हैं, they are going to be exactly of almost the same difficulty level, since in the recent past the syllabus has not been changed. So same questions papers of last year or 2 years back, if we see, we will come to know to what extent we know the paper. जब आप उस पेपर को देखेंगे, I am very hopeful, preparation अगर आपकी ठीक चली है, you will find more than 90% paper is known to you. अब अगर आपको 90% से ज्यादा पेपर इस समय आपको आता है, if you are aware of more than 90% of the paper, I think your confidence level will go to sky high, which is most important before going to examination. Previous years के papers को देखने का एक particular तरीका है. Our students usually what they do, they take up last year's papers, 5 years papers and start studying them. No, this is not the way. आपका काम सिर्फ बुक्स उन पेपर्स को पढ़ना ही नहीं है. At the time when I see a paper is known to me, I know all the questions, but unless and until I write the question paper in stipulated time, the importance of the examination is not overcome. So what I must do, जो क्वेश्चन मैंने देखे हैं, the descriptive questions, I must write it down after planning कितने टाइम में वो होनी चाहिए. We can very well plan. When we go for examination, you should be very clear. Practically, you are not left with 3 hours paper. Now you are given 15 minutes time prior to paper to read the paper. Agreed? Amongst those 180 minutes, 3 hours which is left standard. But remember, आपके पास practically writing time will not be more than 150 minutes. क्योंकि roughly half an hour is taken. Write your syllabus, write your roll number. Whenever you take an extra sheet, you have to write on that also. Fill in the extra sheet. इन सब चीजों में whatever time is lost, you have to prepare right now. The main aim to prepare examination is that previous year's paper you should be in a position to do in 2 hours ideally. If not 2.5 hours is the maximum time which you should have. The reason for this is, जब तक आप 2.5 घंटे में पिछले साल का पेपर करने की सिचुएशन में नहीं आते हैं, तब तक आपको इस बात का अंदाजा नहीं होता. The two things are very important. When I see the question paper on my study table and I get a question paper on the examination table, there is a difference in my tension level. I am highly tense at giving examination and quite cool at home. So remember, these two, the difference in the atmosphere, examination atmosphere would take up more time, and hence my planning, my original planning should be to work in lesser time. अगर मेरी planning lesser time में हो जाएगी, so while giving examination, I will be in a position to give examination comfortably. Otherwise, I might land up in having panic. इस बात को हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना है that our at the home, our preparation time for an exam, full-fledged examination has to be much less than the stipulated time given by the CBSE or any other examination body. क्योंकि हमको उसी में वो परफॉर्म करना है। नेक्स्ट, लास्टली वी विल टॉक हाउ डू वी हैव द राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस ऑन ऑल सच पेपर्स सो दैट वी कैन प्रोसीड फर्दर। इसके बारे में कोई भी आपके सजेशंस हो, एनी कमेंट्स, मोस्ट वेलकम एट EduHBS, and the last episode we will give you how to prepare the writing skills in the examination. Thank you.